Hello guys, it's Lee. Hey, it's Saturday morning. Now it is May 6, 2023. And today is the first, I guess, annual. I don't know if it's annual or not. We'll wait and see next year, but it's the first time we're having it's kind of a truck show, tractor show, and garden tractor show. And it's down here at Authentic Coffee. It's actually Goodlettsville, Tennessee. And I got 3 loaded up on the trailer. I'll probably set that up and then come back and get a few more and just see what kind of day we have. But I'm loaded, ready to go down the road. Well, I could only get 2 on this trip, so I'll try to get 3 on it. Just not enough room. All my machines are too big. So we've got a lot of hit and misses here. We've got garden tractors, we've got regular tractors. We can go see the regular tractors here. Hey, we got shaved ice. That's a pretty nice machine right here. Hydraulics. Got them some weights put on there. It's pretty unique. Got the power steering. Nice Cub Cadets here. That's a nice tractor right there. And look at there. Nice Alice Chalmers. Get the sickle mower on here. That's a big one. Food truck just showed up, so I'm gonna have to go visit them here in just a minute. Ran into Miller Bingham. Am I saying that right?
Yes, sir.
Miller Bingham. Now he's got a YouTube channel, so go check it out. But right now, Miller's going to tell us about his machine over here.
All right. Yes, Miller Bingham here. We're bringing you here a 2003 Cub Cadet L2 shaft drive tractor with the 23 horse Briggs. Original horse engine was an 18 horse Vanguard with a 570 engine. Right here we bought, it actually was just a mower, and then I ended up adding attachment for a rotary tiller.
Let's go back there and look at it. Tell us about this tiller. Now, I know you got a bearing out on it right now.
Yeah, the tiller is not hooked up currently at the moment because one of the pulley bearings decided to mess up and break on me, actually in the garden, about 8 months ago. We also, made sure it matched up with the tractor so we could slide it in the 2-point hitch here, and then lift cylinder, which is a bolt actuator, goes up and down. It will actually go up and down as we speak. You need to go up and down.
Yeah, if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel.
Loose connection goes down for when you're tilling.
Oh yeah.
It'll go back up. Even with just the battery, it takes a little while, but that's fully up. We got the 190-304 Cub tiller that actually...
So I tell you what, Miller, so tell me about your channel. What's it all about?
My channel is a mixed YouTube channel. I do multiple things. I do garden tractor, stuff. I even got a bunch of garden tractor videos that you can look up on Miller Bingham. Just got one channel at the moment, and trying to make sure, I've got a few garden tilling videos. You can look in all through from Miller Bingham, which is Bingham. However you spell it, it's depending on how you spell it.
So spell it. What is it?
Bingham.
Time to load up. All right, guys, so that was it. Good fun day down there at the tractor show, at the coffee shop there in Goodlettsville, Tennessee. It's really Goodlettsville, Tennessee, but it's really White House, Tennessee. The address is Goodlettsville. But anyway, now I gotta go pick up my wife from the airport, and that'll be that. So that's the end of the video. So hey, if you like garden tractor videos, subscribe to my channel. All right, I'm out.